Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage curry. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including a medium head of cabbage, your favorite spices, and some aromatic vegetables. Next, prepare everything by chopping and measuring precisely. Then, you'll sauté the aromatics to build a flavorful base. Finally, cook the cabbage until it's perfectly tender and infused with all those wonderful spices. Let's get our ingredients ready. Start by chopping 1 medium head of cabbage into small, manageable pieces. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic and grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger. Dice 1 small onion and 1 green chili for a little kick. Finally, measure out 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder and cumin powder, along with salt to taste. Now let's cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Add the diced onions, minced garlic, grated ginger, and green chili, sautéing until they become fragrant and the onions are translucent. Stir in the turmeric, cumin, and salt, mixing well. Finally, add the chopped cabbage, stirring to combine and cook until it's tender. To finish, garnish your delicious cabbage curry with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding more salt or spices if desired. This curry is best served hot, alongside fluffy rice or warm flatbread like naan or roti. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful homemade dish, perfect for any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.